My name is Lisa Rojas, and I've got a fun project to share with you guys tonight. This is perfect for lipsticks to hang the little clip here on the outside of your purse. So if you want to put lipstick in there or chapstick, if you don't use lipstick, anything like that, you just put it right in. And it is a beautiful, beautiful project. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start here with a piece of black velvet. All right, this is about 9 inches long by about 3.5 wide. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to flip this over, and then I'm going to take my glue gun and add some glue. You want to fold your ends over because this is a completely no sew project. So just fold those ends over. There we go. Yep. Okay. And you're going to do that on all 4 sides. And nobody's going to see the inside of this, so there's no worries. You can hand stitch it if you would prefer to do that, but I like it because it's quick and easy. And this also would make a really great gift for gift cards. So if you're like me and you give gift cards as a for like holidays or birthdays or whatever, I always like to put my gift cards in something nice, not just, like an envelope and a card. Okay, so we're going to fold these all over. I'm going to cut this off. Here we go. And then I want to fold over the ends here. And you do not need a whole lot of glue for this, okay? Just a little bit of glue works fine. There we go. Okay, and then this last end. Okay, now once you have this done, ouch, okay, then what you're going to do is take your scissors. I'm going to use these big ones. And you just want to miter these corners real quick. And that'll just make it not so bulky when you go to put it all together. And as you can see, I'm not, getting fussy with the measurements and whatever, because it's just a cute little item and you don't have to worry about making sure that everything is perfect. So don't worry about if this size up here is a little bit different than down here. So what you're going to do from here now is we're going to fold this up, both sides, and then again we're going to run the glue gun again. I feel a little pocket right here. Okay, so I'm going to roll that up. And then we're going to glue the sides. All right. There we go. Okay, so now you've got your little pocket. Okay, so the next thing, oops, I skipped a little bit right here. All right, next, we're going to do the handle. And for this is some beautiful trim by Gwen Studios that I used in my project, and it's absolutely beautiful to work with. So this is what I'm using for my handle and my trim. So we're going to start with the handle first. And this is just more or less how you want to put it on, or how long you want your handle to be. But this is probably, I want to say about 8 inches. Okay, and I'm going to switch glue guns here. Use my smaller one. Now, when you're adding the handle, you want to make sure that the trim that you're going to put around the top is going to cover the whole handle. Okay, so you don't want it to be all the way down here if you're only using a trim up here. So just be careful of that when you put it together. Oh, we got some side issues going on over here. There we go. And then we're going to do the same thing on this side. All right. So now we have our handle. Now from here, let me get some of this out of the way here. Now we're ready to add the trim that goes around. And again, this is all going, the measurements are all going to go according to how big is the bag that you're going to be making. So this finished bag is like 2 3/4 by 3 3/4. So your trim around and your handle is going to, be reflective of your finished pocket. Okay, so we're going to start with the back piece right here. And take a glue gun again. And then we're going to go all the way around. Okay. And again, we're just going to glue it all the way around our bag. And then when you get to the end here, then what you want to do, if you need to trim it, this is a good time to do that. So I'm going to trim this just a little bit. And then we're going to fold this end over. There we go. And then just glue that right on top. There. So now you have your handle and you've got your beautiful trim on. So next, what we're going to add is, this is some more of the trim that comes with this package from Gwen Studios. So what I did was I decided how long I wanted it, and then I trimmed it from there. Okay, so what we're going to do with this is I'm going to come all the way up because I only need 2 pieces, but I don't want to cut it completely off. I want it to stay connected at the top. So I'm just cutting it straight up until almost the edge there, but you want to leave that one edge. Okay, and then this one right here, we can just cut right off. Okay, so now we have our little dangly. And see, it just makes it so much easier if you have them still connected when you're putting it all together.
I'm not sure I understand.
Okay, so then you're going to find the center, add a little dab of glue there. And then just adhere that on. Now, again, you can glue this down if you want. I like it to just hang off. I think it's much cuter that way. Now, to finish it off, I'm taking a piece of, this is old jewelry, but actually what I used, it's costume, obviously. What I used in my finished project, this is actually a child's, like a princess girl's little jewelry set, that this was an earring for that. And I just took the backing off and used that. So again, then I have another piece like this, and you're just going to take this piece. I didn't have 2 of those, so that's why I use something different. So for this, I'm going to take that and put that right there on top. There you go, just like that. And then what you can do, as you saw with my finished one, is I just took one of these purse hooks. You can use them for all kinds of things. And I just added a little bow at the top up there just to kind of give it, a little bit of pretty. But this is it. They're very quick, very easy to do. And if you want to make more than one, you would not have any issues because it doesn't take that long to put together.